Okay, so welcome back everybody. This is a kind of a filler video. We're going to be working on the transit van today. Now, I thought to myself, I can't just keep doing... Is it on... It's on manual focus. I can't just keep... I can't just keep doing E30 videos, and this is my van is my daily driver, and I want to make it look a lot better. So, this is Project Transit. This is Project Transit van, and I've got some plans. So this is like an introduction video on... This is my van. It's a van, like... It's going to look a bit shit, there's going to be some scratches, there's going to be sort of bits and bobs that need doing. I've got a list of things that need doing. What we're going to do, we're just going to go over what needs doing. There's an oil leak. So as you can see, it's got really bad oil leak around the edge. I've got a new sump ready to fit, I've had it for about 3 months. You can see it's so bad. We've got, I think both wheel bearings need doing, so that's going to be another video on its own. Wheel bearings need doing as well, I think. I'm really thinking, I think those bushes need doing. No, ball joints. Yeah, that's a problem. So we're gonna have, that's gonna be part of the video. Just making it look a bit better. We're gonna get some new wheels for it. Some nice sporty wheels for it. We're gonna get a bull bar for the front. Just makes it look a bit more, looks a little bit stronger with a bull bar. But I think it'll look a lot better with a bull bar on the front with some lights. And we're gonna clean up the headlights as well, headlight restoration. A free flow cherry bomb back box, so it's free flowing. Because I did actually remove the exhaust. I like the sound of the van. It sounds a bit more like a truck. Not like a Cummins, but it sounds more like a truck. It's kind of, well, I think anyway. And probably, as we go, I'll think of more things. Just get a better steering wheel. I've seen a nice Mondeo leather steering wheel, which is quite nice. So, it's a transit build. We're gonna... As we go along, it's going to be some filler videos from the E30, so I've got this going as well as the E30 project, because that's going to take a lot longer, and I don't want to keep doing E30 videos because, you know, we want to expand the channel and cater to more car audiences. So yeah, today we're going to give it a clean. It needs a clean, and we're going to be testing it with the Auto Glim kit, which I've got. And also the Auto Glim review is going to be a separate video to this. I'm doing a van. I'd never thought I'd do a van. It's kind of crazy, like a project van on my daily driver. So in the thumbnail, I know it looks, you know, it's like, well, the van looks nothing like the thumbnail, but that's the kind of idea that I'm going for with the van. I'm gonna do something different. Also, we're gonna do a remap. We're gonna get the van remapped. Now it's either 130 horsepower with 300 foot-pounds or Newton meters of torque. I'm not too sure. Would be more useful actually to get some more torque out of this for my work when I pull a trailer. Yeah, we're doing a transit van. It's very weird. It's my daily driver. It's a van. So just for looks, we're going to swap out these for some nice silicone pipes down here, nice silicone pipes over there. Needs a new pipe anyway. We're going to clean up this whole engine bay. I took the cover off of the intercooler because this needs to be clean. There's so much dirt in that. So we'll change this out for some silicone ones. Because that's really oily actually, that's not good. There might be a split somewhere on that. So we'll change them out. Yeah, I think that's got a bit of a leak to be fair. I'm going to get a performance air filter. This air tube for a silicone one, I think, anyway, if we can do that. And get this engine bay nice and clean because it's getting a bit dirty now. Just wondering where this, I've spotted this oil leak. I don't know where that's coming from. But yeah, we're going to clean all of this. But yeah, I think let's just get on with giving the van a clean now because I've talked for too long. So let's get it clean.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
So that's gone not as planned actually. This auto glim is not the best for a foam can, it's definitely for a bucket. But what I've done, I put, as you saw in the last clip, I put the stuff in here and there's a bloody hole in the bucket wherever it is. There's a split in the bucket down there, so there's water pouring everywhere. So I wasted like half of my auto glim. So it looks alright. I mean, I've gone with a foam cannon once, and then I went over with a bucket and sponge to get the really thick dirt off. But so I'm going to go again with the jet wash to get all the dirt off now, and then we'll add some. I think it's the polish. No, it's the polish after this or something like that with a cloth, and see how it turns out. But and I'll do the wheels as well. But I'm quite disappointed with using the foam cannon. I've wasted a lot. So note to self: don't use a foam cannon with auto glim. Oh, I feel like it's going to rain, so I'm just going to get on with it now before I don't want to do too much talking before it starts raining. This cloth is crazy. I'm going to say it's worth the money already. Oh, there's a massive dent in there. That was my fault. You can see that it definitely looks a lot cleaner, but it definitely needs that polishing. Now you can see all the marks on the van. That's been cleaned. Let me see this side. You can even see, yeah, it's quite shiny now. So I think let's get with a polish and then we're done. I haven't used all the products. I'm not going to use everything in one go because it's going to start to get dark soon. But yeah, it definitely looks a lot cleaner. So let's get on with the polishing. And there we go. Definitely looks a lot cleaner than before, as you can see. Yeah, look at that, much cleaner. I really like this auto glim kit. We'll get back in the van and have a little talk about it in a sec, but I only used 3 products on it. There's a few more products for the interior trim and things like that, but we didn't have time to do that today. It's going to rain as well, I think. Better not, but as you can see, yeah, it's very, very nice and clean now. Let's get back in the van and have a little chat. Oh god, it's a bit cold out there now. Oh my god. Right, so little clean of the Transit. It definitely needed it. It's almost like a little welcome video for the Transit build. It needed a clean. Let's start it off fresh. I feel like I said a few of the things that I showed you. There's an oil leak, needs wheel bearings, which I'm going to do all in separate videos. As is my daily driver, I want it to look a little bit better and sound a bit better, and it's a van, why not do something different? So, all I'm going to say, the van looks very, very shiny. I want to say the products are good. Yes, they are good. I'm trying to like separate this from the review, but yes, they are very good products. But yeah, I can't wait to do something to my daily driver. It's a van. Like, it's crazy to think like, why am I doing this? But then why not do something different? So I hope I can get some support from you people out there. Don't forget, I've got the E30 series as well. So yeah, I need your support on this one. If you're new around here, subscribe and hit the notifications so you can see the start of the Transit build. I'm excited, but I'm just nervous at the same time. I know I keep saying that. Yeah, introduction to the Transit build. Apart from that, I will see you in the next video.